How to fix two-finger scroll not working on Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. Now navigate to the Windows search icon at bottom left corner and type in Touchpad. Once you find it, Touchpad setting, you simply need to click on Open at right side. Here you simply need to head to the More Touchpad Settings. Now, navigate to the Pointers tab at top of your screen, and on the scheme you have to simply tap on the arrow next to it and select Windows Black Lars System Scheme and then click Apply and then click OK button. You can even customize the arrow from this section and check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, you simply need to exit the section and then exit here. After that, you need to update or reinstall Touchpad Driver. Right-click on the Start icon at bottom left corner and select Device Manager. You simply need to locate Mice and Other Pointing Device and expand this section. Now right-click on this driver and now you have to simply go to the Driver tab and select Update Drivers. After you update, you can easily uninstall and reinstall your driver as well. And then you simply need to scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver. Once you have followed this step, you will successfully fix two-finger scroll not working on Windows 11 or 10. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.